Santorini is probably the most famous place to enjoy a good sunset in Greece. It is an island about 120 miles southwest of the Greek mainland. Staying in Ermeni village, which is set on the slope hills of Oia, gave us the opportunity to fly a drone without disturbing other guests, because we have our own private balcony overlooking the caldera. For people who are always chasing the sun, Greece enjoys on average more than 250 days of sunshine, or 3,000 sunny hours a year, making it one of the most sunniest countries in the world and the most sunny in Europe. The town at the northern tip of the crescent of Santorini is Oia, and is generally considered to be the best sunset viewing location on the entire island. Beautiful sunset points are scattered all around the island, and you will not have a hard time finding one. All the caldera villages that are built on the west side of Santorini facing the volcano, such as Fira, Imirovigli, and Oia, offer lovely views. Watching a sunset in Santorini is truly a magical experience.